Jewelry and fashion. How to pair accessories with outfits. Welcome back, fashion enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of jewelry and fashion, exploring the art of pairing accessories with outfits. Whether you're a trendsetter or a fashion novice, mastering the art of accessorizing can elevate your style to new heights. So, let's unravel the secrets of creating a perfect harmony between your jewelry and outfits. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand the significance of balance. Too much bling or an overload of accessories can overpower your look. On the other hand, too little might leave you feeling underwhelmed. Striking the right balance is key. Let's start with necklaces. Different necklines call for different necklace styles. For a classic crew neck, opt for a statement pendant to draw attention to the neckline. V-necks pair beautifully with pendant necklaces as well, creating a flattering elongated effect. High necklines, on the other hand, work best with statement earrings, allowing you to showcase your style without competing with the neckline. Moving on to earrings, the ultimate game changers. Statement earrings can turn a simple outfit into a fashion statement. If you're rocking a bold necklace, consider toning down the earrings for a more balanced look. On the flip side, if your outfit is minimalistic, don't be afraid to go all out with a pair of eye-catching earrings. Now, let's talk about bracelets and rings. The key here is to consider the overall aesthetic you're aiming for. Stacking bracelets can add a bohemian flair, while delicate, minimalist rings can complement a sleek and modern look. Remember, it's about expressing your personal style. For those who love to experiment, mixing metals is not only acceptable but also trendy. Gold and silver can coexist harmoniously, adding a touch of eclecticism to your ensemble. Don't shy away from incorporating colored gemstones for a pop of vibrancy. Consider the occasion when choosing your accessories. While a chunky bracelet and bold earrings may be perfect for a night out, a professional setting might call for more subtle choices. Adapting your accessories to the context ensures you always look appropriately stylish. And of course, don't forget the power of a good watch. A classic timepiece is a versatile accessory that can effortlessly transition from day to night, adding a touch of sophistication to any outfit. As we wrap up our exploration of jewelry and fashion, remember that the key to successful accessorizing is confidence. Don't be afraid to experiment, mix and match, and most importantly, let your personality shine through your choices. Thank you for joining us today on this journey through the world of fashion and accessories. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more style inspiration. Until next time, stay fabulous.